the sound of water, and the rustle of tea leaves. But sometimes he needed more than home. He needed the mountains. He needed silence. He needed to find himself. And so he left, carrying only a small bag, a camera, and a restless heart. Little did he know, the mountains had their own story waiting, and in that story he would meet her.
कसौली ने बसना, शिमले ने बसना, कसौली ने बसना, कमले जाना जरूर है, कमले जाना जरूर। माए मेरिए शिमले दिराए, चंबा कितनी दूर है, चंबा कितनी दूर।
Quiet stall away by a mountain pass, he stopped for tea. Steam curled from the cups like soft clouds. The air smelled of pine and cold earth. And then he saw her, sitting alone, lost in her thoughts. Her hands wrapped around a warm cup. Her eyes sparkled in the morning sun. And for the first time in his life, he forgot to breathe. She wasn't just beautiful, she was like the first rays of sunlight after endless winter nights.
तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, जिंदगी को अंधना आया, तुमको देखा तो ये
He wanted to say something, anything, but the words dissolved in the air. So he simply watched her, the tilt of her head, the way her hair fell across her forehead. He felt like he had known her all his life, yet she was a mystery he longed to solve. They started talking, small words at first, about the mountains, the cold, and the way the tea smelled better up here. Then she said something that made his chest tighten. She had been blind, For most of her life, she had never seen the world as it really was. 2 months ago, a surgery had given her eyes. But only now was she seeing mountains, sunlight, and skies. He realized he wasn't just looking at her, he was witnessing someone rediscover life. And somehow, in that moment, he felt like he wanted to protect it forever.
একবিংশ শতিকাৰ প্ৰেম কাহিনী ৰুমালৰে ভাজতে স্মৃতিৰে ৰেঙনি একবিংশ শতিকাৰ মোৰ কাহিনী ৰুমালৰে ভাজতে ৰুমালত জীৱনী ৰুমালত ঘুমনীয়া ৰুমালত উচুপনি ৰুমাল 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 এখন ৰঙা ৰুমাল 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 আজি এটা
And there in the cold mountain air, a quiet love began to grow. A love that didn't need words. A love that whispered in stolen glances and shy smile. She spoke of dreams she had kept hidden for years. I want to see the sea, the desert, and one day, Assam, where the green waves for tea sway forever. Her voice was soft, like the wind through pine needles. But there was fire in her eyes, the kind that made him promise, without hesitation, I will show you everything you dream of.
চিরদিনী তুমি যে আমার যুগে যুগে আমি তোমারি চিরদিনী আমি যে আমার যুগে যুগে আমি তোমারি আমি আছি সেই যে তোমার তুমি আছো সঙ্গী সঙ্গী আমরা আমার সঙ্গী
And so they walked the mountain paths together, he showing her corners of the world she had never imagined. She showing him how to see it with fresh eyes. But the heart carries old fears even in new light. One night, under a blanket of stars, she whispered, "What if my eyesight fades again? What if I lose everything I see now?" He took her hands, warmth in his palms. "Then I will be your eyes. I will always be here."
आ जाओ मेरी जान, मेरे दिल का जहां, मांगे तेरी खबर, ढूंढे तेरा निशान, लगे तुमसे मन की लगन, लगन लगे तुमसे मन की लगन, लगन लगे तुमसे मन की लगन, लगन लगे तुमसे मन की लगन। गली गली घूमे दिल तुझे ढूंढे, गली गली घूमे दिल तुझे ढूंढे, तेरे बिन तरसे लगन लगे तुमसे मन की लगन, लगन लगे तुमसे मन की लगन, लगन लगे तुमसे मन की लगन, लगन लगे तुमसे मन की लगन।
One morning, she disappeared. He searched the winding mountain trails, calling her name across valleys. Finally, he found her at a cliff's edge, her gaze lingering over the mountains, trying to memorize every detail, afraid the light might vanish again. He walked slowly toward her, careful not to startle her. She turned, and for a moment he thought she might run. Instead, she ran into his arms and they laughed through tears, the wind carrying their joy to the mountains.
देखिया दूर दूरानी घर मुआ पखी उड़े, दूरानी मरामी तुम्हारे मुँह किया जे मना करे, সন্ধিয়া জুন তলারে আকাশ ভরি পড়ে, দূৰণি মৰমি তোমালৈ মুখ কিয় যে মনত পৰে, হিয়া মোৰ উকা হৈ পৰে, জোনাকত মন নভৰে, যদি কেতিয়াবা অকালে জলে বুকু মোৰ নীৰৱে, কিয় আহা মোৰ মনলে, তুমি জানো জানা।
In that embrace, she let go of every fear, and he let go of every doubt. The mountains had tested them, and they had passed together. They promised each other silently to never let fear come between them again.
बहती रहती नहर नदियाँ सी मेरी दुनिया में, मेरी दुनिया है तेरी चाहतों में, मैं ढल जाती हूँ तेरी आदत मोहब्बतों की धोखेबाजी तुम साथ हो या न हो क्या फर्क है बेदर्द थी जिंदगी बेदर्द है अगर तुम साथ हो अगर तुम साथ हो
He took her to the sea. She let the waves touch her feet. Laughter spilling across the sand, hair dancing in the wind. She closed her eyes briefly, then opened them, seeing every shade of blue for the first time.
तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना कैसे तूने कहा सब सुना तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना तू दिन सा है रात आना दोनों मिल जाए शामों की तरह ये मोह मोह के धारे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे कोई तो ना लागे किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे है रोम रोम एक तारा है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे कोई तो बना लागे किस तरह गिरा ये सुलझे
In the desert, the sun painted her hair in gold. She ran across the dunes, chasing the long shadows, her laughter echoing through endless sands. And when the sun sank low, they sat on the warm sand, watching the stars emerge like scattered diamonds.
अभिया तो के पाइया जाजरा लोग मरे शिकारे अभिया तो के पाइया जाजरा लोग मरे शिकारे कंगना तेरा नी सानू करिए इशारे कंगना तेरा नी सानू करिए इशारे कंगने दे विच लग सपड़ंग संगनी काले काले आशिका तो दिल ही मंगनी कंगने दे विच लग नग संगनी काले काले आशिका तो दिल